Hey people, I seen this video on my Facebook the other day, and I went to YouTube and watched the video. I went to TikTok, wherever it was, and watched the video, and I give it a like. And it's a doctor at a school board meeting, and you know what he's talking about. I was scrolling through my Facebook today, and I seen another friend had posted, and it had 5 whack checks on it. He had 5 whack checks on it. I had to let him know he got the Pentafak check. And so I tried to share it. It says, but it's been checked. I said share anyway. Shared in my news feed. And I had to. When I saw the Pentafak Wak Check, and it won't let me share that at all. They hating that one. That's the third time I tried. They're not letting that through. So this is the movie that I had posted a month ago that they took down 2 of my channels for, and I cut it on the second channel, and I thought I cut everything out, and they took it down again. And so on that third channel, I just had a little piece of it. But it's got some real good information. It was a guy that I had met, I had talked to at the Waffle House, and I had turned him onto my channel. And so I went back and showed the basics of how to read. It got a good start on it. And I'm going to leave the link here. I'll copy the link for this and paste it. But I'm not going to put it in one piece. You're going to have to take the space out of it. They'll probably block this if I put the link on here. So I put a space in the link, and you just have to close that space up. And you can see why they didn't want to post it, because this was a month ago. I had posted this early, and I kind of got into what they had planned. I'll put that link down in the description, and I'm going to put a space between Bright and Eon, because they don't like Bright Eon. And so if you just copy that description and put it in your search, and just take that space out of there, that should take you to it. But this is my channel on Bright Eon. It's called Hidden History. You see my Back in Business sticker on there. So I'm going to finish this up with a picture of my face. I had to go look at a job today, so I trimmed my whiskers up a little bit, look presentable. It don't happen often, so I thought I'd get a video of it. I've been ill for about 2 weeks. I had a sinus headache, and I suspect it's something that the government's been passing around, whatever's been taking the place of the annual flu. But I'd rather die than get poked with a needle. So I'm going to cut this off here. Good day.
Don't forget, hooty hoo, tooty hoo. I won't forget.
Good day.